Today, we're going to open the Accio monthly subscription box for March 2020. So for those of you who have opened these with me before, welcome back. If you're new here, this is a monthly subscription box, like I said, and I like them because they usually sponsor small businesses and they use different products from them. They're very eco-friendly, and they just have some unique items in here. If there are any house-related items in this box, they will be Ravenclaw because that is my house. So let's go ahead and get into this. And we have black tissue, so that should mean that there's no house-related item in here. And I think I saw on Instagram that the theme of this box is, I think it's like tattoo-related. I think it's because they were supposed to go to the Literary Ink convention before that got postponed. So I think that's what this box is supposed to be. Ooh, we got a shirt. And their shirts are so soft. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's a thestral. They're quite gentle, really. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love thestrals. And this shirt is so different. And I love the little roses on here. That's super cute and a really nice start to the box. Okay, I love that. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's see, what is this? So it says how to apply monetary ink. Oh, so maybe this is like a temporary tattoo? All right, let's see. Yeah, it looks like it is. Oh, it says Lumos. That is super cute. Okay, that's really cute. And it looks like it comes with everything you need to apply it here. Okay, that's really fun, especially if this is a tattoo-related box. And the artwork that goes with tattooing. Cool. So I wonder if this is supposed to last longer than most temporary tattoos. I don't know, we'll have to see if there's a little bit more about that in the cheat sheet. Ooh, looks like we got a pin. Oh, that's cute. So it's the castle and a box of Bertie Bott's Every Flavor beans. Let me open this up. Okay, that's really cute. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got like a shiny mirror-y background, and then the little jelly beans have got glitter in the enamel. So that is super cute. Okay, I like that a lot. It's a really heavy-duty pin, too. And I see a print. And it's Luna. Okay, that's really nice. I love this watercolor look with the quibbler. That's super cute. And it's printed on like it looks like on like a watercolor paper or something like that. I don't know if you guys can see the texture, but it's definitely like a textured sketch artist pad. So this looks like something straight out of a sketchbook. Really cute. And who doesn't love Luna? Okay, so I think that's it. So let's see what it says. So yes, this is the ink box. It says if you're like us, you've seen or maybe even acquired some really awesome wizarding tattoos over the years. It may seem very niche, but it's such a popular motif that there's an entire tattoo convention called Literary Ink held every year in Tennessee just to celebrate work based around the series. In celebration of the amazing work these artists do, we decided to theme this box around artwork inspired by traditional styles and featuring collaborations with some talented literary ink tattoo artists themselves. So that's really cool. So there is the Thestral quote tee, and it says, if you've been here for a minute, you'll know that we're big fans of Thestrals at Accio, or as we affectionately call them, bony ponies. This design was created in-house just for you, celebrating their quite gentle nature with sweet quote from Luna. It's printed, as always, on super soft, eco-friendly blended tees in our hometown of Lawrence, Kansas. And then we have the Lumos Temporary Tattoo by Momentary Ink. This incantation is one of our most favorite spells, reminding us that even when things seem very dark, you can still create light for yourself and for others as well. This exclusive design was brought to life by Momentary Ink, a small Philadelphia-based company that creates temporary tattoos with a special mattifying gel for a realistic look. Visit momentaryink.com to find out more and see their catalog of stock designs. So that's cool. So in that black package, it was the gel that makes it look matte so that it looks more like a real tattoo. And we definitely could all use some Lumos right now because things are definitely seeming dark at the moment. So we have the Every Flavor Beans pin. This is an exclusive enamel pin by Laser Brain Patch Company. We've been admiring the work of Stina Sardina Wolf for a while now, a talented tattoo artist. She's also the owner of Laser Brain Patch Company, a stunning line of magical patches and pins. This exclusive collaboration was designed just for our subscribers, and its large size and glitter elements make it a highly unique collectible piece. Find her work on Instagram at twolf and see more at laserbrainpatchcompany.com. Oh, hang on. Oh, there is another item in the box. Okay, so this says it is a dark mark bookmark. Okay, this is cool. This is on wood. And it's like laser etched with Morse Morta in the wood. That is really cool. I don't tend to use bookmarks a whole lot, but I might use this in something else because this is really beautiful. The way they did this is just stunning. Okay, I really, really like that. And my husband's a Slytherin, so he'll be all about that too. All right, so the dark mark bookmark is die-cut wooden bookmark by Arrow Tags. Illustrated by CEO Christina, this stylized version of the Wizard World's most feared tattoo has been laser engraved into a die-cut cherry wood bookmark by Arrow Tags, the same company that created our beautiful Hallows air freshener last fall, which if you guys haven't seen that, that was a beautiful piece as well. Visit them at arrowtags.com to see their range of products. This is an exclusive product you won't find anywhere but Accio, so that's cool. And then we have the watercolor style Luna print, and this is by Jennifer Edge. We were so excited to collaborate with another incredibly talented tattoo artist for this month's box. Jennifer Edge is the brilliant mind behind the Literary Ink convention, and her portfolio is full of beautiful, illustrative, magical designs just like this one. Be sure to check out Jennifer's work on Instagram at Jennifer Edge and visit literaryyink.com to find out more about the convention. Maybe we'll see you there. So I know this was postponed, obviously, because of the coronavirus, so I think it's going to be happening in October. Don't quote me on that, but I may even try to go to that convention because it just sounds like a lot of fun. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I think my favorite item has to be this Thestral shirt. This design is just so cute, and I love Thestrals, and I feel like there's not enough product out there about them. So I think that's my favorite item, and honestly, this bookmark is probably my second favorite just because it's so cool. And like I said, I may actually put this in like a picture frame, like on top of a picture or something, because this is really, really cool. And I love that it's got that tattoo-y etched design on there. Really, really pretty. Honestly, there's very little that I dislike about this. The pin is really cool, but it is really big. So I need to find something to do with my pins. I kind of want to do a bag or something like that with all my pins and patches on it, so I kind of have to figure that out. But yeah, overall, I think this is a really cool box. Very neat idea, and especially since Accio was supposed to be at the Literary Ink convention, which was supposed to happen, I think, at the end of this month. Unfortunately, unforeseen circumstances had them push it back, but it's completely understandable. So hopefully people who were planning on going to this one are able to go to the pushback date. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you liked this box, if you liked the theme, leave a comment down below. And if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.